Hey guys, Alana here. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So happy that you found me, and I'm so happy that I found you. So today we are getting my hair done. I'm getting a wig install at this hair salon called Chosen One Studios. My appointment's at 3. It's currently 2:53 right now. I'm super excited, y'all. Their page looks literally like, let me show y'all, but their page, y'all, bust downs be eating, so I had to go and see what they're talking about here. But yeah, my goal for this year is to just really be like, actually get my hair done. Don't be walking around here looking a mess. That's really my goal. So I'm really just getting my hair done just because there's no special event going on. I'm literally just getting it done. Now, one thing I will say, pray for me because I'm going to the gym, y'all. I was not thinking. I was like, dang, well, how am I going to maintain this wig and I'm gonna be at the gym? Like, it's literally slight impossible. But we gonna try. We gonna see what it do, okay? But yeah, I got off work early today, like around 2 o'clock, and rested a little bit. Now I'm here. Called them, told them I was outside. They said wait in here till 3 and they'll come and get me. I got a luxury wig install, meaning I'm going to get a wash, blow dry. They're gonna steam my hair. I get some wine. I think they even have hookah that's included with it. But yeah, I was like, let me just go ahead and treat myself. Beginning of the year, might as well. Why not, you know? But yeah, y'all, I'll see y'all when I get in there. I'm getting conditioned right now, a deep condition. And yeah, they give me a drink, guys. Martini. Cheers.
Sometimes it's hard to tell, so you may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me.
I'm back from my hair appointment. I'm about to touch up my makeup a little bit because I'm supposed to be actually meeting my friend out. We're going to some food trucks and looking forward to that. But how do we feel about the hair? I like it. It was such an amazing experience, y'all. Like, I've never had my hair steamed before. I've never had nobody give me a scalp massage. Like, I was like, y'all better go ahead on now, for real. But that was such an amazing experience. I definitely will be going back to her. That hair salon, I don't know if I had mentioned it before, but that hair salon is called Chosen One Studios in Charlotte, North Carolina. And I think I'm definitely gonna go back to her next month in February to get a silk press. Yeah, I got me a little trim here. We're gonna see if she turns into my actual hairstylist, because I need me a signature hairstylist, like someone I know I can go to. If I want a silk press, I can go to her. If I want a wig install, I can go to her. Now braids, you know, I know hairstylists, they be a little iffy with their, not iffy with their services, but like some hairstylists don't, you know, offer braids. So yeah. But yeah, she was super sweet. Her assistant was super nice too. We had great conversations. And if you are in the Charlotte, North Carolina area, I definitely recommend you guys go and try them out. Like, go to them. But yeah, guys, so I did get some packages. Well, I got a package from the infamous Amazon. and we're about to open it up because it's stuff actually for my vanity, and I'm super excited. My makeup organizers, these here, got these other organizers. This is what I was really waiting for, guys. This is my phone stand, so whenever I'm like recording content and stuff like that, I can record. But I'm gonna show you guys because I don't want my friend waiting on me for real. So I'm about to text her, how far are you? Because I don't want her waiting on me, and I don't put some lip gloss, the lipstick on. This is Juvia's Soft Mauve. It doesn't want to focus, guys, but it's Juvia's Soft Mauve, and I low-key am starting to love this pink. I just like how it just brings that color back to my lips. So yeah, I'm really feeling this wig install, guys. Like, this is cute. But yeah, I'll see y'all when I get back. Actually, no, I'm actually back. She's 27 minutes away versus I'm 19, so I can do this in 7 minutes. This is everything that I got from Amazon for my vanity. I got this phone, the cell phone holder. I think I got pink. I got pink. This is what she looks like. It doesn't do it no justice, but it's a nice like soft pink. It's so me. I just love pink. I was looking in the bag and I was like, well, the box, and I was like, well, where the heck is my SD card? I got my SD card, SanDisk. Always need those. And then I was showing you guys my makeup organizer. It's for really for like stuff like this, and you can just plop it in there as so. I actually have another one here that just got here, and yeah, I just put it in there like this. I also got a makeup brush holder, and she swivels, but I got me a makeup brush organizer. Those came in like a few days ago. I need to open this one right here. Other makeup organizer, probably gonna put like my baking stuff in here. Stuff that looks like this, I'm probably gonna put it in there. It's going there. My Milani brush will probably go in here. Well, yeah, I'll organize all of that later, not right now, because now I have somewhere to be. I did that in 2 minutes. I'm cool. I'm so cool. But that's everything that I got from Amazon. So yes, I'll be back to talk to you guys. We are back at home, and the food, 4 out of 10. I gave it a 5 out of 10, but now that I'm back and actually thinking about it, it was a 4 out of 10. Like, literally there was no taste, no flavor. Like, I shouldn't have expected, you know, anything great and dear or anything like that, because honestly, yeah, we're not gonna get into that. But while I was on my way home, I stopped back at Target to get me some cotton rounds. I got me some makeup remover, micellar cleansing water. I don't know if that's how you say it, and don't beat me up if I said it wrong or anything. Let me wipe off my camera because I can. I just went to Sephora a few days ago with my friend, and I got my skin update thing, and they send you like a thing where like the lines on your face, like if your skin is dry, if it needs more attention or anything like that. And it said that I did need some more products with hyaluronic acid, and this just so happened to have that. So I was like, let me go get that. And yeah, it has hyaluronic acid, handy dandy. planner. I'm not gonna lie, I've been needing this planner because lately I've been trying to put stuff in my phone calendar, and like, I'm gonna show y'all where I had a week filled of stuff. Like literally I didn't have no free day this whole week, but the next week was different. But this week was a week I was like, I just need to start putting stuff in there. But I finally got my planner now, so I don't have to do that. While we're talking about really 2025 for real, how I plan on, you know, bettering myself and prioritizing my needs. So I got me this Bible and a journal. This is the Woman's Study Bible, and let me tell you guys, I am now on the book of John, and when I tell you, like, I actually understand what's going on. And then I created me like a Bible study as well, so I'll just write things, like reflect on everything, so I have like a focus, and then there's a reflection, write about it, and then I have a prayer portion on the back. And I actually need to do this when I finish recording, because yesterday was just a time to reflect on chapter 4 of the book of John and how I felt about it in a prayer. So that's what I did. So now I'm going to be starting on John chapter 5. My goal for this year was to read a chapter a month. So book of John is my chapter for the month of January, and then after that I believe I'll be on Mark. Let me check right quick. But yeah, I've really been trying to like better my faith journey with getting closer to God and actually being serious and committed to Him. So yeah, this year is really all about reshifting my focus, focusing on the stuff that actually matters. Yeah, bettering myself every chance I get. Every day is a new opportunity to be better than you were yesterday, and that's really where I'm at this point. It's really time for me to grow up overall. So that's what I'm doing. Yes, I was right. So the next book I'll be on is Mark, and then Matthew, and then Luke. So looking forward to that. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff that I'm actually planning for 2025, like financial wise, self-care wise, mentally, physically. I'm supposed to go to the gym Monday through Thursday, workout, and then after my workout I plan on doing 1 mile every day. Friday is an exception, and so is the weekends, of course. Those are really my rest days. What else am I doing? So every 3 months, guys, I have a problem, a real big problem. And those of you that know me know I have a big problem with my spending habits, and I'm really trying to better them. So this is what I am doing. Every 3 months I'm gonna treat myself to a gift if I completed a certain amount of goals or got this and this done within the 3 months. So that's gonna be the only way I gift myself, and I'm actually looking forward to it. Like, this actually gives me something to look forward to, so I encourage you to take this challenge on with me too as well. Gift yourself every 3 months, but you have to complete something within the 3 months. I would have done 1 month, gift myself something every 1 month, but I was like, that's too easy. I have to give myself a challenge. Like, I really have to discipline myself this year. So therefore, we're gonna do 3 months, period. And guys, I'm drinking cucumber and lemon water right now, and let me tell you, it is disgusting. I can't even think about it when it's nasty, but great health benefits. So every month I'm gonna take myself out to dinner, dress up, get cute, and just really reflect on the month, what I've accomplished so far, what I've done, what are my weaknesses, what I can work on, how I can improve for next month, because we are getting better every day. And yeah, so that's really just to ground myself, to show what I'm doing, what to also complete for the next month. And I'm really looking forward to this year. Like, I really feel like this year is gonna be a great year for me, for everyone. And yeah, so I do have these 2 budgeting binders, and again, for those of y'all who know me, y'all would be so proud of me, because baby, I actually started filling her. Well, I did the first 4, but it's still something. It's still somewhere. It's gonna get somewhere, and this whole book is gonna be filled in the next 100 days. Amen. And then I got this envelope book. This is just to help me budget on what to spend on. So today I got my hair done, and I had an envelope. I actually need to put it back in here, but I got an envelope for personal things, which is my hair. This is for like housing stuff. I have utilities up here, dining out, makeup, food. As you can see, there's no food in there. Vacation, shopping, like there's tons of stuff in here for me to budget, and so far it's been working really good. I've been more frivolous with what I'm spending my money on, and honestly I'm really proud of myself. Like, I didn't think that I could do some of the stuff that I'm actually putting my mind to, or like even thinking about doing the stuff that I have set for this year. Like the goals that I have set for this year, I wouldn't have thought that I would be able to do it, but now look at me. Y'all can't, by the end of this year, y'all will not be able to tell me nothing. Like, I'm really gonna be at my, not my highest, but I'm not gonna be in the same place that you'll never, actually never see me in the same place that you saw me the last time that you saw me. But that was everything that I wanted to go over with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me if what you want to see more, if you'd like me to do any more things. I was thinking about actually doing like a Bible study, or just like telling you guys what I personally been learning, how I'm applying it to my life about the Bible and my faith with the Lord right now, and all that great stuff. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Thank you guys.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it.